Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add admin on Facebook page. So first of all, open Facebook. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right corner, tap on three line. First of all, switch profile to page. Now shown here, see dashboard, click on. Look at the right corner, click on setting icon. Page access, tap on. Add new. Click on next. Search by name or email address. Click on give access. Type here your Facebook profile password. Click on confirm. Okay, this access invite sending. You need to just accept the invitation ID. So that's how we can easily add admin on Facebook page. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.